Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Happy December. It's a brand new month, almost a brand new year. So as you can tell by the title, I received my glam bags for the month of December, so I wanted to share them with you guys. And also Ipsy does have a brand new subscription called Refreshments, so I'm excited to share that with you guys. I have it here as well. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video because there's a lot of stuff this month, a lot of skincare, so let's get started. So for the month of December, the theme is home for the holidays, and I wanted to share with you guys what they sent to me. They sent me a puzzle and a deck of cards. So cute. I'm not that good at playing cards, but I am pretty good at puzzles, so I just think this is just so sweet that they sent this to me, and it's just very fitting for the theme. But I wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, very sweet. Thank you, Ipsy. Alright, so jumping right into the bags. How cute is this bag? It's so cute. It reminds me of like a little sheep. I love it. Alright, so the first thing that I got in my glam bag for the month of December is this Professional Primer by Benefit. This actually used to be one of my favorite primers when I first started getting into makeup. I think this might have been the first primer I actually used before I started using the one that I use now. So up next, I received this Murad Essential C Cleanser. This cleanser does have exfoliating beads in it, so if you want something where you can kind of just remove any dead skin, this is perfect for that. So up next, we have this Wander Beauty Pencil. This is an eyeliner. It's in the shade Jet Black. And it does have, I believe, a little sharpener. Yeah, it has a little sharpener at the back. I love eyeliners like this that come with a little sharpener. It's just really convenient. This brand is new to me, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. And then the last thing that came in my glam bag is this Purlisse I Adore 4-in-1 Serum. So it says this is meant to hydrate intensely, firm, and brighten your under eyes and decrease puffiness. So all things that I want to work on for my under eyes. So I'm going to try this out tonight. Alright, so moving on to the Glam Bag Plus. This one is $25 a month. This is so cute. I wish this was like a little backpack. I think it would be so cute. So the first thing that I got in the Glam Bag Plus is this powder brush. I'm not sure how to pronounce the brand, so I'm going to put it on the screen so I don't mess it up. So it's just a very nice powder brush. This is perfect for blush, bronzer, and just your face powder. So up next, we have some Tula skincare. So it's a gentle yet effective scrub, and it's going to help your skin look a lot more smooth, brighter, and just a lot more even overall. So this will be my first time trying anything out by Tula. I'm pretty excited because I haven't had the chance to try their stuff out, but I've been wanting to. Alright, up next we have some more skincare. This is by the brand Verify, and it is a... I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is an eye cream, and let me show you guys what it looks like. So here's what it looks like. So it says that it helps to reveal a bright and even skin tone, and it provides the skin with deep hydration and visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Say less. I'm going to be trying this. Maybe I'll do this on one eye and the Purlisse on the other eye. So I'm excited. I've actually only been using my night creams that I've received in my glam bags, and I've loved them so far, so I'm happy to try this one. So this brand is new to me. It's called QMS Medicosmetics. So it looks like this. It looks pretty, it looks really nice. See if it smells like anything. It has a little bit of a scent to it, and it does look pretty thick as well. This brand is new to me, so I'm pretty excited to try this out. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand out before, or if you tried this specific product and if you guys like it. So up next we have another mascara sample. So this one is by It Cosmetics, and it's called Superhero. So this is what the wand looks like. So far I've liked every mascara that I've received from Ipsy, so let's see how this one works out. So the last thing that I received in my Glam Bag Plus is this eyeshadow palette by Nomad Cosmetics, and this palette I believe is called Tuscany. So here's what it looks like. The colors in here are beautiful, and it does have, I believe it has 7 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades, but like I said, the colors in here are beautiful, and this is perfect for an everyday eyeshadow palette. Alright, so the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is the new subscription by Ipsy. It's called Refreshments. So I pulled up their website so I can read to you guys what it is. So Refreshments is a new membership of clean face and body essentials at an extraordinary value for members who want to jazz up their everyday routine. So I believe it's kind of like more skincare focused, but if you guys do want to learn a little more about Refreshments, I'll go ahead and put their link down below so you guys can read a little more and see how it works. So first in the box, it came with these really cute stickers. And then the bag, of course, so cute. Again, it has like a little satin material to it, and it has butterflies and flowers on it. It's really, really cute. Even the colors of this are really nice. So in the bag, I received, I want to say all 3 of these products are full-size products. I'm not 100% sure. I know that these for sure have to be full-size. I'm not sure about this. This is a hand cream, but I guess I'll start off and show you guys the hand cream. So this one's going to nourish your skin, nails, and cuticles, and it's quick absorbing and non-greasy. So this is, again, the Luscious Hand Cream. So up next we have the Velvet Body Cream, and this is actually really big. It's like bigger than my head. So this nourishes, restores, quick absorbing, non-greasy, and hydrating as well again. Lastly, we have the Refreshments Cleansing Wipes, and it comes with 30 in this bag. So yeah, that is the new Refreshments subscription. I think it's pretty cool, and again, everything is pretty big. So that is everything that I received from my Glam Bag, Glam Bag Plus, and the new Refreshments subscription. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because the sun is going down and it's getting really dark. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys made it this far, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you guys are gonna be trying out the new subscription line. Like I said, if you guys are interested in it, I'll go ahead and put their link down below so you guys can sign up or just even read a little more about it. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.